you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I get the silver one down,
okay. So you gonna take the hauling vehicle and make them build it?
Yeah.
You can't leave it alone.
And then once I do that, you remember the 315 setup?
Yeah, I remember that one.
That will be in here.
Oh,
I still have it.
From the Silver Punisher?
Yes.
You gonna take the back seats out?
Yeah.
Okay, so you already ready then?
Yeah.
You slide right on in?
I got the floor that was in there, everything. I just pull that seat out, bolt the floor
Oh, so
in.
you good to go then? Oh, so all you gotta do is just do your headliner.
Yeah.
You already got an alternator on.
Yeah.
Okay, so you good to go either way.
I got everything. I just gotta get it in here.
Did those pillars? Where do you get these pillars? These you made them yourself or?
No, I ordered them.
So they make them like that for the Chevrolets.
Yeah. I wish they had them for the other side too.
Yeah, because
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.